Karen, just relax. You're doing great.
I feel like I'm pooping out a cantaloupe.
Okay, we can help with that. Dr. Helm, see this area right here, the perineum? I want you to place your hand right here, and with your thumb and index, just form a U. That'll help relieve some of the pressure and keep her from tearing.
Tearing?
We're preventing that.
It's just I always, I can never get over how it just stretches like that. This whole process defies the laws of physics. I mean, it's almost inhuman.
Miraculous. She means miraculous, Karen.
My whole hand fits in here. That should never be able to happen.
Dr. Helm. Okay, here we go. I want you to push. Ready? You got this. Breathe. Just breathe through this.
If my husband does not get here in 5 minutes, I'm going to personally shove a cantaloupe up. Oh, thank God.
You all right? How are we doing?
How are we doing? You want to know how we're doing? You seem fine. I have got 2 people's hands inside me, 1 person trying to come out, and everybody's got an opinion on my vagina. You want to know how we're doing?
She's almost here.
April?
Matthew?
April? This is April?
You couldn't tell me you were treating my jilted fiance's wife?
I couldn't, because HIPAA, I wanted to so badly.
Dr. Robbins?
Yeah. Oh, hey, all right. Well, this one's got a NICU bed with her name on it, so let's take her up and get her worked up.
Okay. Yeah. You know, that couple is so nice. They remind me of she reminds me of you. Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna go up with the baby and get settled.
David Roman, 20, attempted suicide.
It wasn't attempted suicide.
He slashed his wrists and called 911.
Call for psych eval?
I wasn't trying to kill myself. I would never try to kill myself. I'd go straight to hell.
Why'd you cut yourself then?
1, 2, 3.
Matthew 5, verse 30. If your right hand causes you to sin, you cut it off. And I couldn't stop sinning.
You mean masturbating?
So I tried to cut it off.
I still think we need psych. Okay, what do we have?
20-year-old tried to cut off his hand.
He was masturbating too much.
Oh, my. That seems like an overreaction.
I was following God's word.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure you heard him right.
If you don't know the Bible...
No, I do. And the Bible also says that your body's a temple and you should use it to glorify God.
I'm trying to, but temptation is everywhere.
Yeah, well, the Bible also says that God doesn't tempt us beyond our ability. He doesn't give us more than we can handle.
I think handling it was his problem.
Dr. Roy.
Look, if your right hand causes you to sin, you cut it off.
David, when God created the world, he also created metaphors. Excuse me. Karen, you're feeling pain? Where?
Oh, no, I'm fine. It's fine. I couldn't find a comfortable position.
Okay, your pulse is racing. I'm just gonna page Dr. Robbins.
Oh, no, please don't. Ruby's having her heart checked, and I asked Dr. Robbins and Matthew to stay with her.
Okay, Karen, if you don't tell me what's going on, I can't help you.
Okay. My vagina hurts. Like, a lot.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I should have a... May I have a look?
You've already been all up in there, so in for a penny, I suppose.
All right, so I'm just gonna have you put your knees straight up for me with your ankles together and then drop your knees. Yeah, just like that. Okay, give me just a second.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I see the problem here. You have a pretty significant vulvar hematoma.
Vulvar? No, thank you.
It's a blood clot. The swelling is causing your pain. I can drain it for you, and you'll feel 100% better.
Okay. A blood clot?
Yes, caused by bleeding directed toward the skin where the loose tissue doesn't have much resistance.
I'm sorry. Can you talk about something else? Anything else?
Yeah. So how did you and Matthew meet?
Oh, let's go back to my loose tissue.
I'm sorry. This is weird.
It is. But God doesn't give us more than we can handle, right?
I was just saying that to someone.